I met this person very unexpectedly but felt an instant connection. We were at a party and were introduced to one another. We started talking and actually spent most of the night chatting. It seemed to come so easily and I felt so comfortable with him. This was a shock, as I have been separated for about 6 years and hadn't really had a relationship with anyone. I was seeing a guy for a couple of months but it just didn't feel right, so I ended it. It was like a huge weight had been lifted off my shoulders. So when I met this guy, the first wasn't wanting to jump into anything. We were getting along so well, and then out of the blue he kissed me and wow, it was sensational. We kissed a couple more times. And then added each other on Messenger so we could keep in touch any way we meet up and discussed being friends with benefits. The sex was amazing and we were seeing each other for a while and messaging all the time. I feel for both of us we started to develop feelings, but are at different stages in our lives. I know he loves me but we don't live in the same town and circumstances have made it hard. Anyway, my point is if you feel strongly about him and his feelings, maybe you need to discuss it with him or give him some space to think about how he really feels and see where it goes from there. I truly believe that if it's meant to be, it will be. You just can't force these things or it will just end up ugly. Really hope this helps. Stay positive and strong and see what happens.